So in this video, I'll give you a basic intuition about regression, not go into some mathematical thing that you won't understand, which everybody goes into. I will give you the intuition. I'll make you understand why we use regression, why you should use regression, and what regression is, the concept, in just under 1 minute. Okay, so let's get started on it. So regression, it sounds very difficult, but let's take the example of a favorite vada pav. Suppose I'm selling you vada pav. I sold 10 vada pavs today, 20 vada pavs tomorrow, 30 vada pavs on the day after that. So can you tell me what will be my number of vada pavs that I sell on the fourth day? I think you will be able to estimate it very easily. आज 10 बेचा, tomorrow 20, उसके बाद 30, then 40. Okay, so that is a multiple of 10. So how do we get this? We know that 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So how, that is how we got it. Okay, so you are using regression in this process. That is only regression. You use all the estimates you got to understand the relationship. So with the date, here we are taking the day as well as the number. So the relationship is the date which I am selling the vada pav and my vada pav. Okay, I think you're getting the concept, the intuition. We just have to understand what is the relationship between my two variables. Variables is which vary. So today I'm selling 10, tomorrow I'm selling 20. Then what will be my number of sales on the third day? It will be 30, 10, 20, then 30. That is regression. That is the intuition. So if anyone asks you what regression is after looking at this video, you will say that regression gives you the relationship between two entities, two things. Okay, I hope you understood what regression is, the intuition behind regression in this video. Then like, comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for further videos.